Well guys, last day of riding with the helmet and goggles in the new Yamaha. Just got the new windshield in from Rocky Mountain ATV. It's a Tusk. Comes pretty nicely packaged up. A lot of foam, no damage. So yeah. Well guys, got the top off. Let's see what's under this foam. Boop. There it is. Looks like we got some rubber sealing. It looks like this end has brackets and instructions. And it's more brackets. Now sit down and look at it all. There's some more stuff. Another bracket. And that must be the wiper up there. All right, we got the top bolts in and the side here. And the only thing different in the instructions is this is a number 25 Torx bit, not a 10mm. So that was the only difference in the instructions for that. I'm leaving this loose so I can get these bolts out for the side mirrors, because my next step was to put a strap around there, the P strap they call it. But before I do that, I better get these bolts out of there so I can put my mirrors on. Alright guys, got the RMAX 2 here. Yamaha leaves this space here. They want you to buy some bags and screw in these holes. But I have made this out of an old mud flap. And there I've got it in the driver's side. You asked me, they turned out pretty good, man. Just use a brand new mud flap if you want a nice finish, I guess. Alright, passenger side's done. Maybe I do a little better job on that. But she will work. See if we can close the door. Yeah, I'd be able to put all kinds of crap in there now. So we cut them two pieces out of here and worked pretty good. So guys, you just get a piece of heavy paper, tape it to your project, punch the holes in. While it's taped, cut it out, trace it on your plastic, and it's ready to go.